Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the focus ability is unlocked. This gives you a resource to slow perception. Once done, equip any gear that boosts focus regeneration and open the focus wheel to see options. Move to a quiet rooftop or alley. This controlled space prevents combat interruptions while you learn timing. Practice tapping versus holding focus so you know the difference. One tap for brief precision, hold for extended slow-mo. Make sure to watch the meter. It drains differently with each use. You now apply focus mid-fight. Tap it to snap aim to vulnerable spots, and hold it to freeze multiple enemy positions so you can chain takedowns. Once you see slowed motion, move to high-value targets, archer heads, torch carriers, or guards with weak armor, so each shot counts. Make sure to mix focus with stealth tools like the dart or smoke to maximize safety. That way you avoid full engagements. When the meter drops near zero, disengage and reposition to recover. You complete encounters by using focus to set up a decisive finish, leap assassinations, environmental kills, or a precise bow shot that ends a patrol. Once the fight ends, make sure to back off into cover or climb to regenerate focus safely. The game rewards patience. If focus feels buggy or unresponsive, check that the skill is active, verify input bindings, and restart the mission if needed. Often a control reset or re-equip fixes missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.